Here it is, guys. Okay guys, it's time to finish off the video of installing the Ktuned rear coilovers. I did try to adjust them as close as I can to these guys. These guys have way more adjustability here. These are ITR bottoms, so keep that in mind. I'm very interested to find out that these are like pillow mount tops, and the Ktunes aren't. Kind of disappointed. I wonder if the K2 tuned are the adjustable tops, but still, it is what it is. I did upgrade, which you guys may see in the video after this or before this, but I put on like regular rear control arms and got rid of the ITR ones. So those are ITR ones where the coilover slides into them. But let's go ahead and get these on. And real quick, I have to find a nut for these guys, since on the other control arms there's a welded nut on it, and these ones are just goes all the way through. So I'm gonna go look for two nuts real quick, and then we'll install these coilovers. Super easy. Alright, found the bolts. Now let's go ahead and get these coilovers in. I'm going to slide it around here and then stab it up. You'll see what I mean right now. You guys can see with the sun.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
Alright guys, there it is. The new suspension is on. That is how you install your coilovers. 13 millimeters. I had to find different bolts for that, so that's going to be different according to your car and OEM. You probably have the right one. But looks pretty sweet. I am super excited to have this car back on the road. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here, guys. Like, subscribe, share. Excuse me. More videos to come, and the full reveal with the new wheels and tires will soon be coming. Today I'm going to actually order the tires, but the rims I've been sitting on them since October. I'm super stoked to get them on. It's going to be freaking sweet. But there it is, guys. that's how easy it is to install your front and rear suspension. Super easy, super cake. Get the tools, do it yourself, save yourself some money. But thank you guys.